Amazon is not a mere shopping web, yet a gold well of innovation. Caught discreetly amidst its millions of postings are gadgets that are so cool they could have been created in the future. You are a tech glover, or a productivity geek, or you just like trying new things. But in any case, all these 10 coolest gadgets will blow your mind. We are trying to speak about clever inventions that help in a way which wows the friends as well as makes daily life a little bit simpler, or best, more entertaining. Want to know what your next need is? Alright, then let us go to it. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. Just imagine you write something on paper in a notebook and immediately upload your notes to the cloud. It is magical, and that is what the Rocketbook is. It is a witty, reusable notebook that you use to write whatever you want with a certain pen. And afterward, you can scan it with an application and automatically upload it to Drive, Dropbox, or send it via email. After you finish with it, gently clean the page with a slightly wet cloth and you can use it again and again. It is environmentally friendly, effective, and suits students, creative, and working persons. Bid farewell to a number of old notebooks littering up your place. It uses the pleasure of handwriting and the strength of digital backup. Slim, decked out, and irresistibly practical, this notebook could be the very last one you buy. 8-bit Do Retro Gamepad. Gamers, rejoice. The 8-bit Do wireless retro gamepad is the retro redesign of the modern gamepad. It looks like an old-school SNES controller and, as such, it can be played wirelessly using your phone, tablet, PC, or Nintendo Switch. The controller is comfortable and sensitive enough to play new indie games and resemble the gameplay of retro games to emulate old-school games. It is small enough to be kept in your pocket and contains programmable buttons with vibration responses. Playtime includes long car trips or comfy nights playing games with friends, but the battery lasts forever and can be charged fast with USB-C. An essential item of any gamer who likes combining present and past. UV cell phone cleaner and wireless charger. Smear your phone dirtier than a lavatory. Yuck. Not only this 2-in-1 UV phone cleaner charges your phone wirelessly, but also sterilizes it by killing 99.9% of germs with UVC light. You only need to insert it into the phone, close the lid, and leave it to the light when your battery becomes charged. It is compatible with the majority of the phones and even small accessories, such as earbuds, jewels, or keys. Its smooth, secure, and super smart design fits well on desks or even the nightstands, perfectly suited to the needs of health-conscious consumers who are, in addition, the fans of convenience. Become charged and clean up your phone, that is, it is the upgrade your phone and immune system will appreciate you doing. Motion Sensing Smart Nightlight. This intelligent night lamp ensures that one does not stumble in the dark anymore. It has a motion sensor. When it senses movement, it switches on, and a few seconds later, it goes off on its own. It is ideal to mount it in corridors, staircase, toilets, or even within closets. It is battery operated and can be installed at any point. Since it's mounted with ease, it also causes a warm light without wasting energy. It is possible to change the brightness, and its low profile is suitable to fit any style. This gadget can give you safe steps even when walking to a dark room or when you feel like having a midnight snack. The little detail that is a big improvement to your home comfort and security. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. Cold coffee becoming too hot? Not anymore. Ember Smart Mug enables you to maintain your drink at the ideal temperature of 121.45 F up to 1.5 hours. You operate it through an app and spend a couple of taps to set the ideal temp. It appears to be like a common mug with formidable technology behind it. It is excellent at home or office, and it has no reheating and allows you to have your drink the way you want. It is perfect for every coffee drinker, tea drinker, or even people who are entangled in meetings. Classy, rechargeable, and so unexpectedly fulfilling, read already like the barista of your dreams in a container. Bluetooth headphones to sleep. Wave goodbye to itchy and earbuds when you go to bed. The sleep headphones are part of a plush, breathable headband, which functions as an eye mask. You could listen to music, white noise, or even a guided meditation, and you will not feel the annoying cords and sore ears. The sound is surprisingly nice, and the battery holds all through the night. It is excellent when sleeping on the side, when you travel a lot, or need to enhance your sleep. No matter if you want to sleep and block out the snoring, or calmly listen to the lo-fi music, this device can provide you with the quiet sleep in a blanket surrounded with the lovely fabric and clever technology. Hyperchiller Instant Beverage Cooler. Do you require the drink cold, like now? Hyperchiller transforms hot coffee or a warm bottle of wine to a cooled drink to an ice-cold version in only 60 seconds without dilution. You just simply store it in the freezer, pour your beverage into the chamber, then swirl it. It is ideal for iced coffee drinkers, wine lovers, or just people who are too impatient to get a refreshment. Sue no more weight. Sue no more weak drink. It is disposable, cleans easily, and it is reusable. This gadget got you covered. Whether it is hot outside or you have caffeine on your brain, this gadget will cool it down, literally. MX Anywhere 3 Compact Mouse Logitech. It is a small wireless mouse, but not only portable, but also powerful. The Logitech MX Anywhere 3 slides on nearly all surfaces and even glass, so it is the ideal mouse to travel with or work remotely. It is able to connect to more than one device, and a single button press switches multiple devices. It is perfect to work on the move, with USB-C fast charging and silent clicks. It has an ergonomic design that perfectly fits in your hand, comforting your wrist. Whether you are editing photos or zooming to the works of spreadsheets, this device is a surgeon's precision tool, which feels like magic in your hands. Cable management box. Done with power strips and cords that end up in a big mess? This cable coverage box gives you a tidy space and conceals the chaos. You just need to put your surge protector inside, run cables through side slots, and close the lid. It immediately clears up desks, television stands, or workstations. It is safe and trendy as it is constructed of heat-proof material that is sturdy. The classy design fits any contemporary home or office environment. No more treading on wires or worried mess. It is clean to be clean-minded, since a clean room means a clean mind. Clip-on smartphone camera lens set. Bring the pro camera magic to your phone with a clip-on flash lens kit. It comes with a wide-angle, macro, and fisheye lens which simply connects to the camera of your phone within a few seconds. An ideal travel camera. Buyer or photography enthusiast looking to take DSLR-like shots without hauling additional equipment. They are portable and fit in most phone models, and are packed in a durable case. Alternatively, if you want to take landscapes or detailed close-ups or experimental angles, you can make your camera immediately an upgraded one with this kit. It is cheap, enjoyable, and more powerful than you might think. It is Instagram gold in the pocket, and there is a lot to go on about. And that is it, 10 of the coolest gadgets that you can purchase today on Amazon. And that is it, 10 of the coolest gadgets that you can purchase today on Amazon. These are not gimmicks and tricks, but these are really clever ideas to work around common problems, and a really potent tool which will contribute to your life, having a better workflow, relaxation to the next level, or simply being cool with technology. These gadgets show that innovation can be a practical thing, and even fun. What are you waiting for? Go on and buy yourself a gift, or surprise someone with a gadget they will use. Which will you put in the cart first? Tell us in the comments. Do you like this list and want to get more cool finds? Do not forget to press a like button, subscribe to us, and show it to your friends. The donations will enable us to offer you more user-friendly, tech-oriented material. See you later. Keep wondering, keep wise, and keep updating your world.